Okay, boys and girls, it's home video time. We've reached the stage on the engine where things go round and round and up and down. Crankshaft is in place and the conrod is in place and everything clears. If we look up at the top, we'll see the piston make an appearance. Here it comes. Hello, Mr. Piston. There it goes down again. So I'm pretty happy with this. The major moving components are in the engine. They seem to clear everything. And I don't have a lot of big parts left to make, which I'm just as happy with. So this is probably the only in-process video that you'll see as this thing goes back together. But all is going well and I'm quite happy with it.